Hello, my name is Bram Stolk. Today we will do a fun science project by making a pinhole camera out of a digital camera that supports interchangeable lenses. In effect, we will be making a $0 lens replacement out of a piece of tape. For this we will need three things. First, any lens adapter for your camera. I used an adapter that adapts Minolta lenses to Fujifilm GFX. Second, we will need a pin. Third, we will need black duct tape. And there are only 3 steps to make a pinhole image. Step 1. Place the tape over the lens side of your adapter. Step 2. Prick a hole in the tape, roughly in the center. Mine was a little off center, but that works just as well. Check against the light source to see the hole. Mine was a little too large here, but I widened it for illustrative purposes. And make yours smaller. Step 3. After placing the adapter on your camera, set a low ISO. Use aperture priority and let the camera pick the shutter speed. My shutter speed was 30 seconds. And this is how the image came straight out of the camera. I would say not bad at all for $0. And after a little processing, this is what I got. So, your homework for this week, make your own pinhole image and let me know how it went in the comments.